I'm Fish. I look at the weather, and it's all wrong. It's a wonderful day. Moisture in the air. Gonna be a beautiful bike ride. It's a half a moon, and the moon is half on my left. I'm going through the tunnel of yelling. The piers are being redone over, and we don't have any lights over here that are lit up to make this place a wonderful place. Imagine all the lights like so in the center, all along the sidewalk, nicely lit up, nice and low. It looked like an awesome fishery area. Every single pier had a boat, and we even had a naval ship down a little further. And even a pier that had a restaurant on the water that you will walk onto right over here. Remember Lundy Brothers? Yes, a place to go for food. Those days are long gone. So we're heading down towards the end, towards the beach. Let's get going. But before we do, this is the end of the pier, the bridge that they're completing, that you just stopped working on. My last video was really overcast, and you saw the skies, and it was talked about. And yeah, it is what it is, man. Either you don't get shots, or you take shots and deal with it. Look, another truck by Tesla, residential area, and commercial vehicles. Ah, the wonderful white blossoms. Yes, indeed. How do they look to you? You want to camp? You can always pull to the side and camp. The good old Humvee. I want to block shy. How does that sign look to you? Well lit up in a nice low lit situation. We're going to see what the water looks like today. If it's going to be nice and clear. Ah, they ride the wrong way, both of them. Might as well just cut a shortcut so they could do it correctly. Ah, we're at the beach area. We still got a way to go to get in. I'll take a detour through the parking lot so you can see the water right there. We'll pick a spot to go through. We'll aim for one. We're steering off course. We'll aim for the blue. Can we cut through the basketball courts? No, you have to go around. We have a freighter going back. Not just one, but more. Ah, deja vu. We're going back out. That's probably Hunter. Seagulls? They're chewing on chicken. The wind is kicking. So I turned on my noise canceling. All right, what do we got up ahead? I see some lights, people, a whole bunch of people. They're saying their prayers for Easter Sunday. How nice is that? And I got more down towards the end. from the church. Show you what's happening. Oh, waiting to get inside. So yeah, Sunday Mass. I missed the sun rising. It's up there, but it's not bright. Not bright indeed. And the wind is kicking my butt today. We'll head on back and get on going. The Statue of Liberty. Oh yeah, I don't have to go far to see it. Well, I'm huffing and I'm puffing back to where I need to be at. Gonna be a wonderful windy day. So on that note, I'm Fish. I'm getting on out of here. Getting on ready to take care of some beeswax. How about you? Go meet up with Joe and go have some fun on your day. Have a nice holiday. This is called a Maybeck. Man, I don't love it, don't hate it. Maybe you like it, maybe you love it. First time I saw a car like that. Wow.